Native plants of Brunswick, North Carolina. The Paw Paw Tree. Native to all of North Carolina, the Paw Paw Tree is 15 to 25 feet tall, with slender trunks and drooping, oblong leaves that can stretch over a foot long. The fruit is soft, sweet, and flavored like a mix of banana, vanilla, mango, and melon. The plant's fruit has been a crucial part of rural diets dating back to indigenous people and Native Americans. Native Americans relied on this plant not only for its dietary value, but also for its medicinal properties. It was said to be a digestive aid, antiparasitic, and anti-inflammatory. The Paw Paw tree can be found growing around plantations, brought to these areas by enslaved Africans who used the nutritionally dense plant to make up for their poor diets. Because the main consumers of this plant were people of color, the white colonizers developed a disdain for the fruit and began to see it as a marker of difference, leading to the fruit acquiring the name the poor man's banana. The Indigo Plant. The indigo plant is a tropical shrub that typically grows 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. Its native range is likely to be western tropical Africa, Tanzania to South Africa, along with the Indian subcontinent to Indochina. Indigo has since become widespread in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. The source of the blue dye is known as true indigo. It was a significant cash crop grown on southern plantations by enslaved people who were specifically sought out for their skill and knowledge of planting, cultivating, harvesting, and processing indigo. Their cultural practices are woven into the rich cultural fabric of America today. This popular blue dye was used to color high-quality cloth, primarily sold to upper-class Europeans during the 17th and 18th centuries. Venus flytraps. The Venus flytrap was discovered and documented for the first time in 1768. Arthur Dobbs, who was one of the 5 royal colonial governors of North Carolina, found a specimen of the flytrap in coastal North Carolina. After this, the scientific community became heavily interested in the Venus flytrap, and researchers began traveling to North Carolina to study and observe this famous natural plant for themselves. The key mechanisms of the Venus flytrap are its 3 to 6 inch bladed leaves with circular, spiny lobes that can enclose prey. They are triggered to snap shut in about half a second when one of their 6 sensitive hairs is disturbed. The Venus flytrap has gained notoriety and become popular for viewing and collection. This plant is only native to a small region in the Carolinas, but has now been cultivated around the world. Despite all of this, the Venus flytrap is still classified as an endangered species in its natural habitat, as a result of overcollection and natural habitat loss. Live oak. Currently, along the Brunswick Boardwalk, there stands a live oak over 150 years old. There were several of these which were taken out during a hurricane in 2018. Damage during the hurricane included 52 downed trees, 137 fallen large limbs, and 18 trees which sustained damage to their tops. Each of these plants is significant in the way it provides tangible evidence of the past. Through the deep cultural roots and presence during the historical events, they all provide a tale of resilience. Many travel to see these influential plants, driving tourism and stimulating the local economy. This, in turn, educates the masses on the vast culture, history, and environmental importance of these plants. All of the plants, the Venus flytrap especially, highlight the ecological resistance and the strength of nature to overcome. These plants aid in biodiversity and the resistance of many species, acting as host plants, homes, and food for a multitude of animals.